Google just opened its first retail store in Southern California.
Rich Jamiro takes us inside to show us what makes this location so unique.
Apple has over 500 retail stores worldwide, but Google is taking a more selective approach, opening physical stores in key locations. Now their 6th location is officially open in the LA area. A new place to search for on Google, the company's 6th retail location, now in Santa Monica.
We've always wanted to have another way for our customers to engage with our products.
The store is at the 3rd Street Promenade, also home to an Apple store. It's warm and inviting with a help desk front and center.
It's the first thing you see when you walk in, so we're hoping that that is part of why you come to the store. I think our team really, they are truly experts. And I'm so excited for them to be able to show customers what the magic of our device is.
You can walk in for help or set an appointment. Of course, Pixel phones are the primary sell here. There are also wearables, plus Nest smart home devices and accessories like cases and watch bands. And if you want to geek out on Google gear, they've got you covered there too.
I think one thing we really pride ourselves on is just being helpful. And sometimes that help comes best from a person.
The store can perform simple repairs on site, like screen replacements. They can also swap out devices. There's free Wi-Fi and places to sit, plus artwork that hides a secret.
So this piece is sort of about movement and how we see things.
Be sure to look at it from the front and sides.
It changes color as you move around it.
Google inviting Pixel superfans to the grand opening.
I mean, head to toe. I've got the watch, I've got the phone, I've got the buds. I live it, breathe it.
What do you think the advantage of Pixel is?
I would say that it's by far the smartest smartphone that you can buy.
I've used other phones where it kind of required a little more setup to get the good picture, but the Pixel camera is just easy, and I can take good pictures of my kids, and so I really appreciate that.
So the store is our way to just get closer to our customer and to provide them a real experience that's more intimate.
Google already has store locations in Mountain View, California, near their headquarters, also New York City, Boston, Chicago, and up next is Austin. I'm Rich DeMuro, that's Rich on Tech.
Always fascinating to see the latest tech. And we do so much Apple stuff, it's good to see the Google alternative.
Yeah, and that there are some Google diehards out there, too.
And I was just going to say, and they love the tech and the personalization they can do and all that.
Yeah, no, and even just seeing that, that's all very exciting. A lot of stuff to dig into.